in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
With the principal, Mr. Daniel Aparato, head teacher, Karen Godinho, Gabriel Martinaranjo, teacher in charge, Rudy Manila Jr., April Dina Pito, Eileen Joyce Pinto, trainer, Jerome Carvalho, and Juan Amanda.
Sa lima ka schools na participant sa ato second International Drum Corps and Lark Competition. No? And of course, akong pagtawag sa atong halandong mayor, Mayor Delio Luod, nga nag-celebrate sa iyang birthday karong adlaw. Atong pagpakal ng atong mayor, Mayor Delio Luod. O kauban sa natong talon ang atong mga aktibo o mga batanon kasagpo niyang bayan members. We have here Honorable Christian John Vente and ang atong SK Federated Chairwoman, Charis Pakatan. Atong pagpakan itong mga batanon, mga aktibo, mga SD members. O kauban po nato ang nag-lead sa prayer ganiha, si Pastor Rene Valle. Si Mayor Delio Luod, gusto gitpaling pero busy kay siya sa pagkakatal sa iyang mga bisita. Maunang naa siya igibilin nga mensahe para kanatong tanan karong hapuna o tumuki ko sa pagbasa niyo. Maayong uto kanitong tanan sa atong mga pinalanggang bisita gikan sa nagkadayang lungsod, sa atong mga participants, coaches, judges, o sa tanang katawhan sa Sirakaban. Mainit kapag abi-abi kaninyong tanan sa atong second Invitational Drum and Lark Competition. Kabahin sa pagsaulog sa kapistahan sa atong patron, St. Joseph. We are deeply honored and grateful nga niyanin mo gikan sa inyong tagsa-tagsa ka lugar aron makig-uban ka namo karong adlaw. Ang inyong presensya dili lamang naghatag o kahayag sa atong selebrasyon, kundi nagpalingon usab sa atong panagiusap. Kini nga competition dili lang bahin sa pagdaog. This is about friendship, cultural exchange, o mutual respect. sa matag pitik sa drum o sa matag melodiya sa lyre. Atong madungog, dili lamang ang musika, kundi ang istorya sa inyong paningkamot, disiplina o dedikasyon. Sa atong mga contingents, ipadayon ninyo ang paghatag o inyong best. Win or lose, you are already champions. Tungod sa inyong kahako o pagpangandam, enjoy the performance, learn from one another, and build friendships that go beyond this competition. Sa atong mga coaches o trainers, daghang salamat sa inyong pagpantay sa talento sa atong kabatanunan o sa atong mga ginikanan. Salamat sa inyong suporta o pagsalig. Atong pasalamatan usab si Senior San Jose, ang atong patron saint, nga nagpadayon sa pagdiya kanato sa dalan sa kalinaw, paningkamot o pagtuo. Hinaot na ang iyang panalangin mag-uban kanatong tanan, samtang ginabuhat natong kini maong kalihukan. Mga kaigsuunan, pinaagi niini nga invitational competition atong gipakita nga ang sinakaban andam wabi-abi sa tanan. Usa ka lugar nga bukas sa talento, panaghikalaay o kalambuan. Padayon ta sa pag-uban, pagtinabangay o pagpalambo sa atong kultura o kabatanunan. Daghang salamat o ginaot nga malingaw ang tanan. Ascenso Sinakaban, Ascenso Segundo Distrito, Ascenso Misamis Occidental. Daghang salamat, maayong hapon kanatong tanan.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ken T. Burkett. And also to our Mayor, Delio T. Loor. Again, the competition is for you to gain your experience, and hindi importante nga dapat yun atong goal, ma-present, ma-perform lang nato ang mga mga routine o walay mga kapulian na mahitabo. And of course, in every competition, ladies and gentlemen, natin mga panel of judges, and hope we will respect the decision of our board of judges and naapod pa sila sumbanan ng criteria for judging. And now to present to us our judges and the criteria for judging, give it up for Honorable Charisse Pacata.
Thank you so much, Sir Jay. So for our judges, ladies and gentlemen, our judge is a woman whose passion for music and excellence in events truly shines in every endeavor she leads. A music and kind professional with a keen ear for artistry and performance. She brings both creativity and precision to the table. Currently serving at the Tandem City Tourism Office, she holds the vital role as the head of city events, where she masterfully orchestrates programs that celebrates culture, talent, and community spirit. With her expertise and dedication, we are honored to have her as one of our distinguished judges today. Please give a warm round of applause to Miss Ria May T. Ahmed. Our next judge is a freelance choreographer. He became a festival music director since 2015. He is the band trainer of Mahayag School and Art and Trade, Lalaan National High School, Calamba Comprehensive High School, and Balyangao Pressure High School. A back-to-back grand champion drum and lyre competition in Oroqueta City. A back-to-back Best in Musicality in Pyramid Festival 2003-2024. a back-to-back Best in Musicality in Cebu Festival in Zamboanga, Sibugay, year 2023 to 2024. Champion at Araw ng Lanao Drum and Lyre Competition 2019. Best in Musicality in Kahumayan Festival 2019. Best in Musicality in Inugog Festival 2024. Best in Musicality in Bailar Festival 2024, a Best in Musicality in Ligayon Festival 2023, Best in Musicality in Alimango Festival 2019. He joined the WOW Philippines in Manila with his group way back 2008, a musician since 2005. He is the former president and a band leader of Keta Bass Classic. Please help me welcome Mr. Andre Molina Ramillete. Our next judge, a dynamic and highly respected educator, creative director, and a pageant innovator. He is a licensed professional teacher and a graduate of Master in Business Administration, embodying excellence both in academics and in arts. He is a lifetime member of the Philippine Arts and Cultures Educator Society and an active member of Choreo Pilipinas, a distinguished organization of professional choreographers in the Philippines. Beyond pageantry, he is a versatile creative professional as an event organizer, pageant director, cheer dance trainer, festival creative director, and a ballroom instructor, shaping performances that celebrate culture, talent, and artistry. He is currently connected with Azamis City National High School as a senior high school teacher, where he continues to inspire and mentor young minds. His dedication to education has earned him recognition as one of the outstanding teachers during the Guru Awards division of Azamis City and the Norman Star Awards Region 10. Ladies and gentlemen, a multi-talented individual and a public servant, Mr. Aureliano June Carpio Jr. Is a graduate of Bachelor in Science and Medical Technology at Silliman University, Dumaguete City, and finished Masters in Public Administration. He organizes the Oroqueta City Performing Arts Group in 2009, who had been performing in different cities in the country. Artistic Director of the Keta Bay Show and Event Productions, who provide organizing and management services like variety shows, festivals, concerts, pageants, and special events. Founder of Keta Bass Drum and Bugle Corps, this group has been performing in festivals all over Mindanao and Visayas, and has been receiving numerous Best in Musicality awards, up even to Sinulog Festival and Cebu City. Pioneering member of Choreo Mindanao, a recipient of the 2004 Philippine League Award that honors and celebrates integrity, creativity, and excellence of Filipino artists and culture shapers. Presently working at the Administrative Officer 5 at the Office of the City Mayor of Oroqueta City. Please help me welcome Mr. Gilbert G. Roa. Our next judge is a Sinunduloy Cultural Troupe Musical Director, an LPT major in Social Studies, a drum corps trainer. Please help me welcome Mr. Ray Kila.
I'd like to get close.
And for our criteria for judging, Composed of musicality comprises lyre tonality, 20%, drum stroke beat difficulty, 20%, rhythm and dynamics, 10%, accuracy of tones or tunes, 10%, a total of 60%. For the choreography, artistry of formation, smooth transition, and appropriateness of movement, 30%. For mastery and coordination, unified and coherent impact of the performance, 5%. For the props, artistic use of the props suited to the presentation of theme or concept, 5%, a total of 100%. And the criteria for the best in drama major. For visual presence and leadership, 30%. Conducting and musicality, 35%. For marching and drill execution, 20%. Overall impact and intangibles, 15%. A total of 100%. Thank you so much.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Charisse Pacata. Ang payo, diba? Ako bilang payong ha? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, Honorable Charisse Pacata, for introducing our judges. Again, our judges is Ms. Rayame Ahmed, Mr. Andre Molina Ramillete, Mr. Arellano June Carpio Jr., Mr. Gilbert Ruan, and Mr. Ray J. Piling. And now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our first contingent. We have St. Joseph High School of Sinacaban Incorporated. Our first contingent, St. Joseph High School of Sinacaban Incorporated.
Tapos ko nga, matangin si Ibig. Yung tarong.
And that was our first contingent from St. Joseph High School of Sinagapan Incorporated. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our second contingent. We have Jimenez Bethel Institute.